go. Your girl is about to make a beef casserole with some shell pasta that I will be cooking. I did not season the minced beef. I will season as I go, so you will see I added in my garlic, my herbs, and my spices. Then after washing my beef, yes, I do wash it, dry it, I added this to my frying pan. Watch me as I season and go along. I added a little oregano, garlic and parsley, a little Old Bay seasoning. I added some celery flakes, an hint of black pepper. I mix this in and I allow to cook. Then I added a tin of beef stock in this, which will be the salt. Taste your pot as you go along. This is my way. If you need to add Himalayan salt or white salt, it is up to you. At this point, I did not add any salt in this. Once this was ready, I added my tomato paste and then I added my pasta to this. I mix this in. I will be adding this in my oven to bake for 20 minutes. Once mixed in, then I added some cheese to this. You can add the cheese of your choice. There it is, looking all juicy. It can also be eaten as is, but I wanted to bake this in my oven. I am not a tomato paste girl. I prefer to have this done in the oven. So I pour it in my baking dish and I will add this to my oven, which is already preheated, to bake for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Thank you for coming by my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Please remember, it is free to give your girl a like. The like button is at the bottom left corner of the video. On your way in or out, please remember to give your girl a like. It is free. I do hope that you will enjoy this video like all the other videos that I put as much effort and work into showing this or to bringing this on my channel for others to see that it's not only Jamaican meals that I prepare. There is the finished bake dish. Tasted really good, and your girl served this for dinner with a little bed of white rice and a little curried chicken to my family. Thank you again, and I will see you soon in another video. There was my family's dinner. Thank you again for stopping by. Please remember to give your girl a like. Thank you for the support as I continue to put content out there. Thank you. Stay tuned. Please remember to set that notification bell. See you soon. I've been